Hello everyone, I am Mr. P. Satra. Once again I am here for Python 9th class, and today my topic is nested loop. So before going to start my class, please, this is my request, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the notification. So without wasting our time, let us start our class on nested loop. You already have seen that I have explained only the loop, single loop, and now today my topic is nested loop. The nested loop, you can see that I have written one sample program. What is the nested loop actually? A loop is inside another loop is called nested loop. Means if you write a loop is here, but this loop is inside another loop. So this is called nested. You don't think that one loop I have written it here, again another loop I am writing here. That is not the nested loop. Nested means a loop is inside another loop. That is called nested loop. Now, most of the situation we will see that nested loop is required in our program. In any language, you go for the C, C++, Python, Java, whatever it is, that the nested loop is required, and it is most vital topic. So now today I am showing you only the simple category program, and that is patterns. Initially, the nested loop, to understand the nested loop, we have to understand the patterns. We have to solve the different types of patterns program. I'll show you on nested loop 3-4 classes. I'll upload 3-4 classes on nested loop, then it will be clear. Now today I am showing you only the simple category, the problems, and mostly I am doing that patterns program. And how to solve this type of patterns, you see that I have written using the character asterisk sign. You can solve this one using the number also. I'll show you that in computer. So one more thing, repeatedly I am telling you, that is whenever I am showing something here, you must see that one, means I will show you that one in computer. So don't forget to see that one in computer. In the end of video, means definitely after explanation, I will show you the practical in my computer. Now see, this is our first question. Suppose in nested loop, using the nested loop, we can solve this type of pattern. I'm not showing the outer border, only this character. These characters I want to print. If you want to print this, you see that 3 by 3 matrix type. So 3 characters here means it is a square shape. It is a square shape, it is a rectangle shape. You see that this is similar type, and this is triangle, and this is another type of triangle. So I will solve, I'm showing you this program, and this program I will modify a little bit. I'll get this, all these shapes. So first of all, what we are learning today, nested loop. So I'm showing you using for loop. You can do using while loop also. Now today I'm showing you using for loop, the nested. You see that now the first pattern I'll show you first. Okay, let us see first pattern. So this is a loop. Inside this is another loop is here, and in this loop you see that one line is there. This line is within this loop. This line is not within this loop. This line is within this loop, but this line within this loop. Now see how it is working. Please check. I have taken, this is starting and ending value. Ending value means if you write 4, it will end at I first counter, it is 1, then 2, then 3. It is 4 means less than 4. You see that whenever I is 1, you are coming here, and J counter is, you see that once again I have given 1 to 4. Means J starting value is 1, then 2, then 3. It is also 4, means less than 4. So outer loop will work 3 times. Inner loop will work 3 times. That means 3 into 3, 9 times. So 9 characters will be printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters will be printed. So inner loop will work 9 times. You see that the first time, so first time when I equal to 1, you are coming inside, J is 1. So when J is 1, you are coming inside, Computer, you show me this asterisk sign. So this asterisk sign is here, and comma end equal to space. That means you print these characters, this inner loop will work 3 times. All these 3 times you print side by side, left to right. If you write like this, I already have explained in previous class. So if you write like this, it will print the characters left to right, and it will give you a space. If you give a space here, if you give a blank, blank, then you will get a blank. If you don't give blank, if you write like this, don't give blank, what will happen? This character will be compact mode. It will be exactly after this character. So the time this printed result will be exactly like this. No space will be here. So after printing this, what 3 characters, after 3 characters, so this will help you to bring down the cursor. So to keep ready, so you see that print end equal to like this, means your cursor is waiting here after printing all these 3 characters. Now we have to bring down this character, this cursor here, then you can start the next line. So what will happen? This will help you to bring down the cursor here, and you are going back for the further iteration. I will be 2. When I will be 2, once again you are coming within the inner loop. Inner loop, again it will take start from 1, it will go for 2, 3. So 3 times it will work. You see that again this 3 times you are going to start here. So these 3 characters, so 3 characters it will work 3 times. So these 3 characters we will get. After cursor is waiting here, again you are coming here. So in this way, all these 3 lines we will complete. So what is this? This is the question number 1, how we are solving this problem using the nested loop. This is a very important content, how to apply the nested loop. The first question I have applied. This is what? First question we have solved. Now we can modify this into second problem, means question number 2 we can make. What is this? Then you see that number of lines, 1, 2, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. 3 lines means outer loop will work. How it is working? Exactly 3 times you have to work. But inner loop, 1, 2, 3, 4. This loop we have to change. What to change? You will write the time 5. What will happen? So 1, 2, 5 means it will go up to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times it will work? 1, 2, 3, 4. So less than 5. So you can understand, similar way we are getting like this. Similar way we are getting like this. So this is the question number 2. Question number 2 means this is 1 to 4 and 1 to 5. We will get the rectangle like this. Okay, so I think you can understand how we are applying the nested loop. Now once again we are going for the problem number 3. This is problem number 3. You see that number of lines, this is 4 by 3 matrix. Number of rows, number of lines means lines. Lines, how many? 4 lines and 3 columns. So 4 lines, 3 columns means 4 lines. We have to change it here. 4 lines means it is 5. So it will work up to 4. It will work up to 4. You can see 4 lines for this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And inner loop will work for how many times? 1, 2, 3. So you will write 4. So less than 4 means it is. So we have to change like this. What is this then? Less than 4. So this same program, the same thing, only this side we are changing. So what is happening? This is the third one. Question number 3 is coming like this. So this is very interesting, that how to get the patterns. Now we can solve the question number 4 even. You see that this time we are going to print the triangle. Now this time you see the number of lines. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3 lines. So outer loop will work how many times? Outer loop will work 3 times. This is question number 4. Question number 4 means outer loop will work 3 times. Outer loop will work 3 times means we will write 4. Outer loop will work 3 times. Now outer loop will work 3 times and inner loop depends on i's counter. So if you write here I, what will happen? If you write I here, so when I is 1, you are accessing this time we have to change like this. You see that we will start from 1 and we will write up to I plus 1, I plus 1. So what will happen? I plus 1. So 1 to 1, how many times? It is I plus 1 means I equal to 1. You see that when I equal to 1, question number 4 I am solving. Come here, j equal to 1. So what you are printing? Asterisk sign. The loop will work how many times? 1. And this is what? 1 plus 1, 2. What is this? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it will take start from 1. It will go less than 1 means only, less than 2 means only 1. So only once means first line it is printing this one. Cursor is waiting, and to bring down the cursor, this is the line will help you. So when your cursor will come here, going back for the further iteration, I will be 2. This time I counter will be 2. If I is 2, you see that 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So the inner loop will work how many times? 2 times. Inner loop will work 2 times. 2 times means 2 asterisk sign we will get. Again cursor is waiting. So this line will help you to bring down the cursor, and going back for the further iteration, I is 3. When I is 3, you see that 3 plus 1, 4. So inner loop will work how many times? 3 times. So 3 times this line will work. 1, 2, 3. So in this way we are getting the 4th patterns. So you see that only one program will help you, and this is the nested loop program I am showing you. One program is helping you to solve this problem, this problem, this problem, this problem. But mostly not only this constant character, sometimes we have to print the numbers also. The numbers we have to print in increasing order or decreasing order we have to print. That I will show you in next class. Now today I am showing up to this much. You see that how we will solve this pattern also. So this pattern, what to change? You see that this pattern, similar way we will do this. How many lines? 1, 2, 3. So this is okay, no problem. Only this time you see that what we will do. Here we have to change. Here we have to change. What I will change? We will change, that is it is 1. The first line we need, this is I. You write I, comma, what you will write 4. So what will happen? I first counter is 1. When I first counter is 1, so this loop is working 1, 2, 3 times. Because termination value means last value is 4, means this loop will work when I equal to which question? Question number 5. We are solving the question number 5. This question we are solving. So it is 1 coming inside. 1, 2, 3. J equal to 1, J equal to 2, J equal to 3. So 3 times it is working. 3 times ASCII. This cursor is waiting. This line will help you to bring down the cursor here. Going back, I is changing. In place of 1, it is 2. So if it is 2, so the loop is starting from where? The loop is starting from 2 and ending at 3. So less than 4 means ending at 3. 2, 3, 2 times. 2 times this will be printed. 2 times this is printed. Cursor is waiting. Bring down the cursor here. So which will help you. Going back, I is 3. When I is 3, you see that this loop will work only. This loop will work only once. And coming inside only once, your pattern is completed. Now see, this 5 programs I have used. Only a very simple or the minor change I have done. After that we are getting the patterns. Now I will see everything in our computer. Then it will be clear for you to understand it properly. Now let us check that how to solve this thing in computer. Let's see. Please check it properly. So I'll write the code. I'll write the code. Just a moment. So you see this. The first pattern. You see that the first pattern. What I told you that run. I already written 1 to 4, and it is 1 to 4. This pattern computer you print. Okay. Run. run module, check. This pattern is coming this way. I think you all can see it clearly. Okay, so this is the first program, question number 1 I have explained, and that is coming in this way. Check 1 to 4. This is nested loop. You see that first loop inside another loop means don't write this loop here. If you write it here, it will not work. There is a problem. Some different value will come. So inside this loop, this you have to write using a tab. So this line is within this for. Okay, this two are connected means this line is given. This line is not within this for. Okay, this line is inside this for. Okay, now see, so one loop is inside the another loop, and this is the pattern question number 1 we are getting. For the question number 2, what I told you, the rectangle shape I told you, that is 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows, this will give you 3 rows, 4 columns. So for that you have to change like this. It is 5. So run, go to the run option, run module. Okay, we will get the shape like this. You see this is the shape. This is 3 lines 4 columns, 3 lines 4 columns. Okay, this is constant value. We are printing using the constant value. Now the third one was 4 lines and 3 columns. 4 lines means you make it 5 and 3, that is 3 columns. 3 columns means you will write 4. So go for the run option, run module. Okay, this time you will get the third one. What is this third? This is the third problem. Question number 3, the third problem. Okay, now we will go for that triangle one. Triangle 1, number of lines were 3. Number of lines were 3. So you will write 4. Number of lines are 3. You will write 4. And you will change this part. What you will write? 1 to, what you will write? 1 to I plus 1. I plus 1. So let's say I plus 1 to this I will become 2. So when I value will be 1, this will become 1, and 1 plus 1 2. So the inner loop will take start from 1 and going less than 2 means only once it will work. So this asterisk value will be printed. This is the fourth question. Which question? Fourth question. So run module. Okay, you check. This is the triangle. So the fourth question's answer we are getting. So the fourth question answer, very simple, how I have explained on the board. The similar manner I am writing the code. This is the example of nested loop. And the fifth question, what you will do? Fifth question is very simple. Fifth question you will write what? Here you will write I, and here you will write 4. So what will happen? So when I is 1, it will take start from 1. So that means it will work 3 times. When I is 2, it will take start from 2 and it will go less than 4 means 2, 3. 2 times it will work. Means 2 asterisk sign will get. Let's say run option. Okay, check it. This is the another pattern we are getting. In every time you see that I have given a blank here. If you don't give the blank, what will happen? It will be more compact. So run option, you see that how it will look like this. It will be, you can see this pattern in this way. So you see that these are the patterns I am showing you. This is the example of nested loop. So this way we can solve the different types of patterns problem using the nested loop. Using the nested loop we can solve the different types of pattern. Lot more things are there that we can solve using the nested loop. In my next classes I'll show you, that is different types of numbers problem using the nested loop, different types of series problem using the nested loop. Okay, so the time after showing all that thing, it will be a clear concept for all of you. Okay, so today up to this much. So in my next class I will show you more on nested loop problems. So once again I'm requesting you, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the notification. Okay, so today up to this much. Thank you very much. Bye all of you.